So hello everyone, I'm Rochelle Mabang, the technical writer of Team Survival Elite. The project title is Development of Events Management System. So let's start. So here's the homepage of Michael Ho Events Styling and Coordination. And this is the services, the homepage. So let's book an event. So the all services is birthday, christening, and wedding. So let's click the birthday, for example. And here's the packages. So let's choose this birthday package. And here's the package includes. So book these events. For example, Rochelle's second birthday. And the events must be booked at least 3 months in advance. So for example, this one, venue address. And additional details. It's only optional. So proceed booking. So here's the event summary. And let's fill up my information. Social Naba and gender female, and let's put my Gmail and my contact number and address. Okay, for example, this one, and number of guests and additional notes. So for example, I want singer and submit booking. So booking request received. So let's go to the admin account. Let's click account and let's open the admin dashboard. Let's double check. And here's the admin dashboard. There's a total events, customer, and this one, pending task. And so you can see there's a notification here, and let's click and new event request. So let's click this one. And ito po yung binuko kanina. So it's up to the admin if they approve. So let's approve it. And approve and notify customer. And done. Event approved. So let's go back to the Gmail of the client. So you can see here's the booking approved, the inventory payment required, and your account access and the payment methods. Okay, I'm going to this one to log in. Okay, so I can pay for booking and account. Sorry. And ay, sorry guys. Mm, let's see. So here's the client dashboard. So you can see there's a notification, event approved. So let's click it and proceed to payment. So there's a introductory payment, 5,000, and pay in full. So let's pay in full, for example, and payment method, for example, GCash, and upload the receipt. Where's the image? Okay, for example, this one, because I don't have, oh my god. And for example, the reference number. So full payment proof submitted. So let's go back to the admin dashboard. So you can see there's a notification again and new payment submitted. So if the admin done the pag na pag na ano na niya na okay na at legit and not scam, so they cross checking the payment. So let's click the approve payment and done. So mark this meeting complete if tapos na sila mag-meeting, and assign staff. So for example, this one, I assign this assignment role, for example, photographer, and assignment role coordinator, and assign staff. So we done assigning staff. So let's go back to the staff. So if you want to add staff, click this one. This is for example only. And next, full name, Machi, address, and next, so contact number, email, and let's let's fill up the employment details. So prepare and sample this one and your mark. This is just for example and creates staff member. So here's the new members. There's a payments, payroll, and reports. There's the reports, users. You can block this one if you want block, and you can unblock this one if you want. And management. So let's go in packages. If you want to add a new package, um, new package name. For example, um, birthday, 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 three. And of course, select birthday because, and for example, this one, and this one too, and okay, this one. And here's the estimated total. And let's choose a image for this package. This is just for example. And here's the packages. And that's all. Thank you.